Well, hello, gorgeous souls. Welcome, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I am Danielle DuBois. You probably already know that one by now. Anyway, babes, so today we're going to tap on the woulda, coulda, shouldas. Oh my goodness. How many times have we, oh man, if I just would have done that, I could have done this. Oh, I should have done all of that or none of it. So the woulda, coulda, shouldas. Huh. Yeah, there's some layers to this, but you know what? We're going to get through them because EFT is this outrageously powerful, incredible technique, as many of you already know. Okay, babe, so here we go. But before that, as always, when you are tapping with me, you are taking full responsibility for your own well-being. All right, let's get into this. Even though there are a whole lot of woulda, shoulda, coulda, I choose to just accept myself as I am. Even though the woulda, shoulda, couldas can sometimes take over my life. Oh, that guilt, the shame, that darn it, I wish I'd done that. I choose to love and accept myself anyway. Even though I have a huge list of woulda, shoulda, couldas, I choose to love and accept myself anyway. All these woulda, coulda, shouldas. Woulda, coulda, shouldas. There are a lot of them. If only I had done something differently. If only, if only, if only. Oh, those woulda, coulda, shouldas. They're powerful. Unfortunately, I don't have a time machine, so I can't go back and change things. But I can release now the regret. Releasing now the woulda, coulda, shouldas. I release now from all of me the woulda, coulda, shouldas. Because you know what? They're not helping me. The woulda, coulda, shouldas are holding me back. I might even be stuck in the world of woulda, coulda, shoulda. It's time to release that. I don't need to be stuck there anymore. The woulda, coulda, shouldas are not serving me. It's time for them to go. I choose to release the woulda, coulda, shouldas. I release the woulda, coulda, shouldas from all parts of my energy. From every cell in my body and even my thoughts. I choose to release the woulda, coulda, shouldas. They're not serving me and they have no place being in my life, in my brain. I release now the woulda, coulda, shouldas from my energy field and my vocabulary. I release telling stories about woulda, coulda, shoulda. I release the regret. I release the regret. Woulda, coulda, shouldas have no place in my life anymore. I release them now. I choose to release them now. So what now? What do I replace them with? How about I am pleased I did that? When I did this, it turned out really well. No need for regrets or woulda, coulda, shouldas. Because I have a list from here to the other side of the world long of things that have worked out, choices I made that were great. Or even just good, but good is good. I'm doing okay. I'm releasing now the woulda, coulda, shouldas. I release the regret. And now I can focus on, I do this really well. I have done that really well. I'm doing okay. I choose to focus on telling stories that are helpful and supportive. I choose to focus on the things that I've done that are good. I choose to release now all the woulda, coulda, shouldas from all parts of my body, mind, and soul. And deep breath in. Woo. Good one. Good one. Now, if you are like most people, you may need to rewind and do this a few times, because those sneaky little layers of woulda, coulda, shouldas can pop in or raise their horns, if you will, at any time. There can be any variety of triggers that can let us know that they still exist. So tapping daily, oh, hallelujah for tapping daily. And if you can't do that, and you can, but if you're choosing not to, if you're doing it just a few times a week, even that is so massively helpful. And, do this until you feel like, oh, hey, you know what? It's been days or weeks or months since I woulda, coulda, shoulda on myself. Yeah. All right, babes. Thank you so much for joining me. And stay tuned. We got more EFT videos lined up for you. And thanks again for joining me. Mwah. Take care. Bye-bye.